Simple tips for meditation. Today, we're sharing simple tips to help you start meditating. Meditation is a great way to relax and find inner peace. Let's dive in. 1. Find a comfortable spot. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a way that feels good for you, on a chair, a cushion, or the floor. Keep your back straight, but relaxed. 2. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Pay attention to your breath as it goes in and out. You can count your breaths if that helps you focus. 3. Let thoughts come and go. It's normal for your mind to wander. When thoughts pop up, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Don't judge yourself. Just notice the thought and let it go. 4. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes a day. You can gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Even a few minutes of meditation can make a big difference. 5. Be kind to yourself. Remember, meditation is a practice. It's okay if it's challenging at first. Be patient and kind to yourself. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you on your meditation journey. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more relaxing and helpful content. Happy meditating.